You arrive at the airport. Your bag is ready. Your passport is in your hand. And suddenly, you hear English everywhere. Announcements, signs, people talking. Fast English. Airport English. Your heart beats faster. You wonder, what if I don't understand? What if I say something wrong? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Liz, and this is my daily English podcast. Here, we learn real English, simple English, English you can actually use in real life. Today, we are talking about English at the airport, the words you need, the situations you may face, and what to say, step by step. By the end of this episode, you will feel calmer, more confident, and ready to travel. No pressure, no complicated words, just real English you can use today. Let's start from the very first moment. You walk into the airport building. The first thing you see are signs. Departures. Arrivals. Check-in. Check-in is where your trip really begins. You show your passport. You confirm your flight. You get your boarding pass. At the check-in counter, the staff may say, "May I see your passport?" This is very common. You don't need a long answer. You can simply say, "Sure," or "Here you go." Now repeat with me, "Here you go." Perfect. Then they may ask, "Do you have any bags to check?" This means big bags that go in the plane's cargo. If you only have a small bag, you can say, "No, just carry-on." Carry-on is the bag you take with you on the plane. Repeat, "Just carry-on." Good. They may also ask, "Where are you flying today?" You can answer with the city. New York, Miami, Los Angeles. Short answers are perfect. You don't need full sentences. Now notice something. Airport staff speak fast, not because they are rude, but because they repeat the same things all day. If you don't understand, it's okay to say, "Sorry," or "Can you repeat that?" Repeat with me. "Can you repeat that, please?" Great. You're doing very well. Many learners feel nervous at the airport. This feeling is normal, and you're handling it. Next, you may need to check your bags at the scale. The staff may say, "Place your bag here." You can do it. Just follow the instructions. Sometimes they ask, "Do you have any liquids?" Liquids are drinks or gels. You must show them separately. Say with me, "Here are my liquids." Perfect. Then they may ask, "Do you have electronics in your bag?" Electronics are laptops, tablets, or cameras. You can answer, "Yes, in my carry-on." Repeat, "Yes, in my carry-on." Great. This is how the first part of airport English works. Simple words, clear English. Even a short sentence is enough. You don't need perfect grammar. Now take a deep breath. You're doing great. And we are only starting. After check-in, you go to security. Many travelers feel nervous here, but the English is very simple. You may hear, "ID, please." "Passport, please." Just give it to them. Short answers are enough. Then you may hear, "Shoes off." "Laptop out." "Empty your pockets." These are short commands. They are not rude. They are instructions. Let's practice. Say with me, "Shoes off. Laptop out. Empty your pockets." Good. Sometimes staff may repeat instructions. You can say, "Like this?" or "Is this okay?" Repeat, "Is this okay?" Perfect. Next, you walk through the metal detector. You may hear, "Step forward." "Arms up." Follow the instructions. Nothing scary. Now, after security, you look for your gate. You will see signs and hear announcements. Flight 215 is now boarding. Boarding means people are getting on the plane. Final call. That means go now. Don't wait. Go immediately. If you are not sure about your gate, you can ask, "Is this the gate for my flight?" Repeat with me. "Is this the gate for my flight?" Very good. Sometimes you may need to check the flight board. You will see codes and times. Don't worry about remembering everything. Just look for your flight number and gate. Now, imagine your flight is delayed. You may hear, delayed, or canceled. Delayed means late. Canceled means it won't happen. If you need help, go to the desk. You can say, my flight is delayed, or I need help with my flight. Repeat with me, I need help with my flight. Good. Many travelers feel stressed in this moment. This feeling is normal. Even native speakers sometimes get confused. The key is simple English. Short sentences, clear words. Sometimes airlines give instructions over the loudspeaker. You may hear, proceed to gate 32, or boarding begins in 10 minutes. You can follow the instructions. You don't need to repeat them aloud. Just understand and act. Next, let's talk about small interactions. A staff member may ask, do you have a reservation? You can answer, yes, under my name. Or, no, I need assistance. Repeat with me. Yes, under my name. Good. Or they may ask, are you checking in luggage? Answer clearly. Yes, one bag. Or no, just carry on. Repeat. No, just carry on. Perfect. Now, some travelers get confused with security lines. If someone asks, which line are you in? You can ask, is this the line for flight 215? Repeat, is this the line for flight 215? Great. Another common moment is the TSA officer asking, do you have liquids or electronics? Short answers are enough. Yes, in my bag. Or no. Repeat, yes, in my bag. Good. Now imagine you pass security successfully. You can take a deep breath. You did it. You are ready to find your gate and board the plane. This is the power of clear, simple English. Even short sentences work perfectly. Next, we will go inside the plane and practice the English you need during the flight. Now you are inside the plane. You find your seat. You look around. A flight attendant may greet you with, welcome aboard, or hello. You can smile and answer, hi, or thank you. Perfect. If you're unsure about your seat, you can ask, is this my seat? Repeat with me, is this my seat? Good. Next, you will hear, please fasten your seatbelt. The seatbelt is the belt you wear across your lap. You buckle it. Simple. Sometimes they may say, electronic devices off. This means phones, tablets, and laptops need to be off or in airplane mode. You can follow the instructions without speaking. During the flight, the crew may offer drinks. You may hear, water or juice. You can answer politely, water, please. Or juice, please. Repeat, water, please. Please. Great. If you don't want anything, just say, no, thank you. This is perfectly fine. Later, they may come back and ask, how is everything? They want to know if your food or drink is okay. You can answer, it's good, thanks. Or everything's fine. Repeat, everything's fine. Perfect. Sometimes there is a small problem. Maybe your drink spilled. Maybe you asked for no onions and they forgot. It's okay to speak politely. This is cold. Or I asked for no onions. Repeat, I asked for no onions. Good. Remember, you are not rude. Clear and polite English is always correct. During the flight, you may need help. You can say, excuse me, can you help me? Repeat, excuse me, can you help me? Very good. Another situation. The flight may be turbulent. The attendants may say, please remain seated. This means stay in your seat. You can say, okay, thank you. Repeat, okay, thank you. Great. Sometimes announcements happen over the loudspeaker. They may say, we will land in approximately 30 minutes. This is just information. You can listen. Short sentences like, landing soon, are enough to understand. If the flight attendant asks, do you need anything? You can answer, yes, a blanket please. Or, no, thank you. Repeat, yes, a blanket please. Perfect. Even small interactions build confidence. Every time you speak, you improve. Every time you listen, you improve. Now, imagine you hear, "Please prepare for landing." This means the plane will land soon. You check your seatbelt. You follow instructions. All these sentences are simple, clear English. You don't need perfect grammar. Short, clear words are enough. Take a deep breath. You are doing great. This is real English for real travelers. Next, we will practice landing, immigration, and how to leave the airport using English. Now you are ready to explore the airport a little more. Many travelers wait for their connecting flights. You may want to eat, drink, or shop. Let's start with ordering food. You walk into a small cafe or restaurant. A staff member may say, "Hi, how can I help you?" You can answer politely, "I'd like a coffee, please." Or, "I'd like a sandwich, please." Please. Repeat with me. "I'd like a coffee, please." Good. They may ask, "Would you like anything else?" You can answer, "No, thank you." Or, "Yes, a water, please." Repeat, "Yes, a water, please." Perfect. Next, they may ask, "Do you want it here or to go?" Here means you will eat at the cafe. To go means you will take it with you. You can answer, "To go, please." Repeat, "To go, please." Excellent. Sometimes you may want to ask about the menu. You can say, "What's in the sandwich?" Or, "Is this vegetarian?" Repeat, "Is this vegetarian?" Good. When you pay, they may ask, "Cash or card?" You can answer, "Card, please." Repeat, "Card, please." Perfect. Now let's practice a situation in a shop. You may want to buy a water bottle. You can ask, "How much is this?" Repeat, "How much is this?" Great. If you need help finding something, ask, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Or, "Excuse me, where is gate 32?" Repeat, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Or, "Excuse me, where is gate 32?" Where is gate 32? Very good. Now, a common airport situation, announcements. You hear, "Flight 327 is now boarding." Boarding means you can go to the plane. You don't need to understand every word. Just focus on the important words, flight and boarding. Sometimes there is a change. You may hear, "Flight 327 now departs from gate 34. You can repeat quietly to yourself, "Gate 34. Short phrases are enough. You don't need to speak aloud. Next, imagine you need help with directions. You can ask a staff member, "Excuse me, can you help me find gate 34? Repeat, "Excuse me, can you help me find gate 34? Perfect. Another situation, seating at the gate. You may want to ask, "Is this seat taken?" Repeat, "Is this seat taken?" Good. Sometimes the flight may be delayed while you wait. You can ask politely, "Do you know the new boarding time?" Repeat, "Do you know the new boarding time?" Excellent. Even small interactions like these build confidence. Every time you speak, you practice real English. Every time you listen, you understand more. Take a deep breath. You are doing very well. Airport English is becoming easier. Now it's time to finish our airport English journey. You have practiced check-in, security, boarding, flight, and landing. You have also learned how to order food, ask for directions, and handle small problems. Take a deep breath. You are doing great. Every sentence you practice today makes you stronger. Every repetition builds confidence. Let's review some important phrases together. Repeat after me. Here you go. No, just carry on. Can you repeat that, please? Shoes off. Laptop out. Is this the gate for my flight? Water, please. I need help with my flight. Tourism. 1 week. Excuse me, where is gate 32? Excellent. By practicing these short, clear sentences, you can handle most airport situations. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Clear and polite English is enough. Short sentences work perfectly. Even native speakers sometimes speak very briefly. Now let's practice a mini dialogue all by ourselves. Imagine you're at the check-in counter. I will say the sentence and you repeat. May I see your passport? Sure, here you go. Next, the staff asks, do you have any bags to check? No, just carry on. At security, the officer says, shoes off, laptop out. You respond quietly in your mind or say it softly, shoes off, laptop out. At the gate, the staff says, Flight 215 is now boarding. You repeat mentally, Flight 215 is now boarding. On the plane, the flight attendant asks, water or juice? You answer, water, please. At immigration, the officer asks, what's the purpose of your trip? You answer, tourism. How long are you staying? 1 week. At the taxi counter, you ask, can you take me to Hilton Hotel? Repeat each sentence. Every repetition strengthens your confidence. Every word you say helps your brain remember. Remember, nervousness is normal. Many learners feel the same. You are not alone. You are learning real English step by step. Small phrases, repeated often, make a big difference. Short, clear, polite sentences are all you need. Every time you practice, you get better. Every time you listen, you improve your understanding. Now, you have all the tools for airport English. From check-in to boarding to ordering food and asking for directions, you are ready. Even unexpected situations like flight delays or lost luggage can be handled with simple English. Take another deep breath. You are ready for your next trip. You can travel with confidence. And now, I really want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Tell me, which part of the airport is hardest for you? Check-in, security, immigration, or maybe ordering food or finding your gate. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more real-life English. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any episodes. Thank you for listening to my daily English podcast. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.